Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a HP OfficeJet 7500. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen control panel you can see here. So first of all, we need to get ourselves along using the right hand arrow, and then we go into ink status. Press to go in there, and here you have a visual representation of how much ink your printer thinks it has in the magenta, cyan, yellow and black ink cartridges. If, like me, you're using compatible ink cartridges, you may just get a question mark on there. But this in itself won't prevent you from printing. You can just carry on printing until you see the print quality degrade. If you are here because of a degradation in print quality, then I would advise checking out our video on doing cleaning cycles and test pages, which you can also find on our channel. But that's about all there is to see here. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.